I am the guy who grew Davey Fogarty from 0 followers to almost a million followers at the moment. I started my creative journey when I was back in school. I started a comedy channel on YouTube which went viral, and Davey Fogarty hired me to grow his socials, and together we grew it really fast. After I grew Davey's personal brand, I wanted to challenge myself to grow another creator like him. So I started doing this for a couple of other people like Simon Beard, Jane Lou, Goose McGrath, and I was able to grow them as well. So obviously I have a secret sauce that works all the time. And in this video, I wanted to share that secret with you. Why am I sharing this secret if I can easily sell it? Because if you learn this secret and you grow your personal brand and it comes to a point where you can't handle it on your own, this is where I can plug my agency Editors Club and manage it for you. So in this video, within just 8 minutes, I'm going to show you how to start, build and analyze your personal brand. First of all, let's look at why are all these entrepreneurs building their personal brands. Davey Fogarty's brand Daily Mentor has already become a multi-million-dollar business because of his personal brand, and he's driving so much of traffic into that business through his content. We know all of this because we are the ones who are creating all of this content. And Jane Lou is doing the same. Her brand Showpo is more than $100 million worth right now. And why is she creating a personal brand? Because she wants to show the people, her customers, who's behind the brand. That creates authenticity, and more people get to know about Showpo through her because people love people. Alright, if you're ready, let's start the journey. Before I tell you the secret, if you are a multi-million-dollar founder and you want to create your personal brand, make sure that you press the button below and save your spot. I will jump on a free 30-minute call with you and take you through the entire strategy. And I'll also share so much of material that you would require to create your personal brand on your own. So make sure you press the button below and book your spot. We have limited spots available. Alright, let's get into it. First, creating the brand. You first must identify your brand voice. It's simply how you are gonna sound like on social media. You should have a consistent tone, a unique set of words, style, and a personality to your brand voice. So for example, what's your tone? Are you formal, casual, humorous? And what's your language? What kind of words do you always use?
Do I give a about my employees? You! The F word face.
And most importantly, what's the purpose behind your brand so that your audience can resonate with your purpose? It's exactly like how you would create a mission and vision statement for your business. The purpose behind Davey's personal brand is to teach young entrepreneurs how to become successful through e-commerce. And a secondary purpose is to leverage his personal brand into deal flows. Alright, now let's talk about brand archetypes. For example, Elon Musk is an explorer. This is exactly why people are gathering behind him, because he wants to go to Mars, he wants to create things that we have never seen before. This is where you will draw inspiration to all the things that you want to share on your personal brand. This is Simon Beard's brand archetype. He's a storied mentor. He tells business success stories or flops and he draws lessons from them. And his audience always expect this from him. Next, I want to talk about something really exciting, and one of the things that people look at as the first thing when they're building a brand: visual elements. It's very important that you be consistent with your visual elements in order for your audience to identify you among the noise. Your visual elements also will help you with the emotional resonance. For an example, blue can invoke trust, red can invoke excitement. Alright, now let's talk about execution. Being consistent with execution is the game. First, you need to come up with ideas. How you come up with ideas is through your brand voice and your archetype. Whatever that you want to talk about, just draw inspiration from who you are and then put them all onto scripts. This way you would know exactly how you would sound like when you are reading them out. And then you would have to have exact time of the day where you'll be filming, creating or posting this. When we start a relationship with a client, we get at least a month worth of content prepared. If you don't know where you're going, you're gonna burn out and stop really fast. Only because you're not gonna be seeing results right off the bat. It's gonna take you some time to see the results. So how do you keep all of this organized? On Notion. I have created a content production engine on Notion. It has an editor space. On this editor space, we have an editing mood board. Whatever that we want the editors to follow, we prepare this board for them. And whenever we give feedback to editors, we take one of these cards, take the link and then we put that on Frame.io. Frame.io is a really cool platform where you can give feedback to editors really easily. And then I also have video editors SOP, like how to cut the A-roll, how to do the hook and the intro, how to do the B-roll. Also, I have tools and resources for the editors to use, like for example the plugins that they can use. All of these should essentially come from the visual elements. And then I also have a writer space to help the writers come up with ideas. Most importantly, to stay within a structure. This is one of the YouTube structures that we have found that works the best, and we encourage the writers to stay within this structure for them to go viral really easily. I can tell you more about it, but that's for later. And then the most important part about this content engine is this database. This is a Kanban engine. For example, you first come up with ideas, then you need the title, hook, thumbnail, and outline. We like to get them out of the way right off the bat because then we know exactly what we are creating. And then we start writing, we film them, we edit them. It needs posting and then published. These are the exact steps that your content will go on. And then we have the edit due calendar for the editors to work on. So for example, this video is already published, this video needs editing, this video needs writing. All of these is defined on the card itself. And then a publishing calendar which helps you identify when should your content go out. This is so easy for your entire team to look at and then publish. If it's just you, as soon as you come here, you would see, okay, this is the video that I should work on today, and this is the video that I should be posting today. Alright, so now I'm gonna go into one of the cards and show you what kind of fields that I have in each of the cards. So first, you need the status, what kind of steps that this content is gonna go on. And then you need the format. Is it a reel, thumbnail, YouTube? And then the content pillar. Usually you would create the brand pillars based on your brand voice and archetype. But this is something advanced that we do for our creators, not necessarily needed for starting creators. And then who is it sitting with, who's responsible, the editor, scripts, raw files, final edit on Frame.io, filming date, edit due date, publish date, everything's on here. But for the creators that we are working with at the moment, there are so many other fields that help us create content. For example, we have an inspirations guide where we come up with content ideas and list them on a board. This is not required if you are just starting out. So that is the most basic way that you can organize your content execution part. And then eventually as you grow, you're gonna need a team. You are gonna need at least 2 video editors. You're gonna need a social coordinator who's gonna be posting your content. You would also need a scriptwriter if you are not gonna be the brains behind your content, because you would have so many other things to do. You might not have the time to write your own scripts. And most importantly, you would need a project manager who's gonna keep your editors accountable, your scriptwriter accountable, and your social coordinator accountable. You would also need the project manager to read the analytics and come up with what kind of content is working and what is not working, and do the iterations from there. This is where Editors Club comes in. All of these multi-million-dollar founders, they don't have the time to create their own personal brands, and we have made it possible for them. We give this entire team to these multi-million-dollar founders and we plug it in, and it's way cheaper than hiring in-house. And most importantly, our entire team work with other creators, so we learn from others and then we can execute that on yours as well, whatever that's working for other creators. So if you want to create your personal brand as well and you don't have the time to do it on your own, make sure that you press the button below and save your spot right now. And then, like I said earlier, iterative learning. This is the backbone of your growth. You need to be looking at impressions, reach, how many people that you are reaching out to, CTR, which is click-through ratio, how many people are clicking through to your video. This is where your thumbnail and hook needs to be recognized. And then the retention, how long people are watching for. This is where the information that you're providing and structure comes into play. If you are not packaging your content correctly, people are going to drop off because their attention span is really small nowadays. And that, my friends, is the secret. So if you are a multi-million-dollar founder and you don't have the time to create your own personal brand, this is where we come in. We have a team of experts who are obsessed with creating content and personal brands. Click on the button below, save your spot right now, and I'll jump on a free call with you for 30 minutes and take you through the entire strategy tailored for you. I'll also give you so much of material that you would require to create your own personal brand just to even start. So make sure you press the button below and book a call. I'll see you on that call.